Hey, you ready to go?
Yeah, I got beer.
Okay. I'm so tired. Why do I get the one that's all foamy?
It's cold as well.
I think the wind is going to affect this conversation.
Probably.
It's funny, we're putting like an Easter egg in our... It's right there.
There it is.
Hey guys, welcome to Catamaran Cocktails. We're out for a little dinghy ride. Brian, do you want to share what we've been up to?
Yeah, so the past few months, and our copious amounts of spare time, we've been starting off one or two little side businesses.
So for about a half a year, we've been working behind the scenes on what? A couple of businesses here in Grenada. Both ones are coming to a head kind of like right around the same time. So one is still a secret, but the other one I can tell you about. We opened up a small hair studio, a salon. And Brian's the mascot.
So we've been taking the last 2 weeks as a little bit of a hiatus to wrap things up for our two big adventures. And we've taken a little bit of a break from the cocktails for those 2 weeks, but we're looking forward to getting back and making some more good cocktails for everyone. So,
Yes.
yes.
Next week, I will give you a little tour of the salon and I'll share my experience of what it was like to open a business in Grenada on a Caribbean island and the pluses and minuses of doing that. And then once we go through that, maybe the following week we'll be able to share with you what our other big venture is. Awesome.